big three rules for joining morphemes. What's the lesson about? Today you will learn the 3 rules we use to join morphemes together to create words. In this lesson you'll learn what vowel and consonant suffixes are, the drop the E, add the vowel suffix rule, the doubling rule, and the Y rule. You may have heard the rule drop the E, add ing, as in LOVE plus ing is rewritten as LOV no E ing. This rule works because ing is a vowel suffix. That means it begins with a vowel. And just like ing, there are loads of others, like ed, ish, able, and ion. The rule applies to all these vowel suffixes. Just like HAVE plus ing is rewritten as HAV no E ing, SHINE plus Y, a vowel suffix, is rewritten as SHIN no E Y. This even works for words that have more than one suffix, like SIGN plus ATE plus URE is rewritten as SIGN AT no E URE. This is the drop the E, add the vowel suffix rule. Just like in words like mate and slope, a final E can sometimes signal a long vowel sound within the word. For words like mat, fat, and slop that end in a vowel consonant and have a short vowel sound, we need to be careful when adding vowel suffixes like ed, est, and y, because they can act on the middle vowel sound to signal a long sound as well. Therefore, we double the final consonant. And we write the word sums like this. MAT plus ED is rewritten as MAT TED. Or FAT plus EST is rewritten as FAT TEST. Or SLOP plus Y is rewritten as SLOP PY. This is the doubling rule. The final rule we're going to look at today is called the Y rule. The Y rule applies to words that end in Y. For words that end in vowel Y, we don't apply the Y rule because these are letter teams and we don't split up letter teams. It does, however, apply to all the suffixes, whether they're vowel, like ed and ing, or consonant, like ly or ness. The Y rule applies to words that end in consonant Y, like busy or happy. If I want to add a suffix to a word like play, I simply add the suffix play, ed. The same for obey. Obey plus ing, I simply add the suffix obey, ing, or obeying. But for a word like busy that ends in consonant Y, I have to apply the Y rule. busy plus ly is rewritten bus, change the Y to an I, ly. Or happy plus ness is rewritten as happy, change the Y to an I, ness. This is the Y rule. So the big 3 rules are drop the E, add the vowel suffix, double the final consonant in a word ending vowel consonant to maintain the short vowel sound, and for words ending in consonant Y, change Y to an I to add the suffix. It's your turn. Grab a book and find words that use each of the big 3 rules. How many can you find in 3 minutes? Write word sums to analyse the morphemes and test your theories. Can you name the big 3 rules for joining morphemes? We hope you've enjoyed this lesson, and to explore the free sign matrices and the other resources with it, visit morphologyhub.com/matrix.